You said never let me go.
Hey guys, welcome to Barrel Exhaust. This is Giridhar Soundarajan, Mr. Barrel, and today we have something really amazing for the Dominar riders. If you are riding Dominar 400 UG or the old version, I have something really great for you. All have been waiting to get something that is a direct fit, a bend pipe that is done especially for it. This is the subheader that we've created at Barrel, and it's not hollow that like how you get it in the market. This has an inbuilt muffler inside this to reduce the harsh noise, and then it's going to be a direct fit on your header pipes. This is a subheader, and now what goes with this is basically the rogue. This is also complete stainless steel, along with this is also complete stainless steel, so you will never have a issue of getting rusting. And with the debugler, let me tell you, the sound is equal to or slightly lesser than your stock. So in city you will have absolutely zero issues. And this being in black and also available in stainless steel, but this is in black, which actually blends with your bike. And the sound from this is insanely sporty. Okay, I have some videos that you can search for. Let me play some video for you so you can hear the sound. Use your headphones and you will fall in love.